Hello everyone, and this is episode number 3 in iOS Unleashed. And in this episode we're going to be covering segues from different view controllers. So open up Xcode, and I already had the simulator running from our earlier episode, which I recorded today as well. So I'm going to run Xcode, and I'll just put it to full screen, why not? It doesn't really matter currently. Okay, so we have our view controller. Yay, one view controller. That's so not complicated. Okay, this doesn't do anything. It just does NSLogs. That's not even exciting at all. Okay, so let's make this a little more interactive and exciting. So when you click the button, it's gonna segue to another view. Kind of cool. You have to admit, it's kind of cool. Okay, so basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit File, New, File. Oops, I hit target, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, let's try that again. New, File, Objective-C class is fine. Okay, that's what we want. We wanted a subclass of UI view controller. We're gonna say something new. I need to think of a good name. I'm just gonna call it Random View Controller. I have no names, nothing coming up in my brain. That's fine, great. Just to be organized, I'm just going to new group from selection, and I'm just going to call it random. Might as well. Okay, so on our main storyboard, so we have code now. Okay, but we need something to connect the code to. So we're going to go to our object library, and you see view controller. Okay, I'm just going to drag a new view controller! Yay! Okay. Okay, fine. And we're gonna type in the custom class. We don't want to use UI. Okay. Make sure the view controller is selected. That's what we want. We don't want to define a view. And type in random view controller. So now this is the random view controller. Awesome. That doesn't help. Okay. So all it did was it just connects this. So let's say I'm selecting this. Okay, I'm going to zoom. Okay. And I'm going to open up the assistant editor. Oh, what happened here? Hold on. Let's see. I can probably fix this. That's weird. Did this get like flipped or something? Okay, so if that's there, then something's supposed to be here. Okay, I'm kind of confused. What happened here? Hold on. I'm just gonna go to standard editor. I have no idea what just happened. Okay, this magic mouse is driving me really crazy. Okay, with my swipes and stuff. That's being really annoying. Okay, that's really weird. Yeah, that's really weird. Why is it showing that? Hold on. Okay, so we're here, right? And then this, I know what we're supposed to do. Boom! Okay, I fixed it now. It's all good. Did I connect this? That's weird. Things are being all crazy. Okay, it's all good. Okay, so now that I fixed this, whatever happened here, and you saw that from here it was Hello World View Controller, it's now Random View Controller, which is what we wanted. Exactly. Okay, so now I'm just going to hit Command Enter to get rid of that. I don't want that right now. So in this view, we're going to do some little designing, and just going to drag in a label and call it segue to here. To here. Segue to here, and I'm gonna have another button that says go back, and that's gonna be interesting how we're gonna do that. Okay, so basically let's first define the segue from here to here. Do that. Simple. Hold down Control. Okay. Hold down Control now. Make sure the view controller is selected, not the view. You can't segue a view. You're segueing from the controller to the other controller. It's really annoying. Okay, I will fix this. It's being the most annoying thing. Hold on. I will fix this. There you go. Okay, now. And we'll say modal. It's fine. Currently, we don't need to worry about that. Okay, sometimes Xcode gets really annoying when things don't work. But it's all good now. Okay, we've defined a segue. But the segue has no identifier. So I'm going to say to forward. Okay, I'm just going to call it that. That's a good enough name. Style modal. And just to be fun, I'm going to do flip horizontal. Why not? Okay, you'll see how each looks. Okay, so what happens now is, okay, let's open up that assistant editor again. I need to remember this code, that like symbol stuff. I have no idea what those mean. But if you do know, you might as well tell me so then I don't keep on doing that, as that's really annoying and wastes time. Okay, I want to open up hello world view controller.m. We don't want this. Bye. We want to do self perform segue with identifier. Look at that. And I'm pretty sure I copied that text. Okay, sender self. Okay. Boom, done. Well, we're not done with everything. Let's just save this. Save this. Okay, so then they don't drive me nuts. Okay, so we have that, but this doesn't go back, so we're gonna define another segue. But why don't we do that after we run it? It'll be easier if we do that. And okay, woo! But now this won't go back. So I'm just gonna go home to the home page, and if you open this again, you'll see it's running in background. We don't have like, we'll probably cover in maybe the next episode, and it'll probably be nice, running in the background and stuff like that. That'd be cool. That would be something interesting to have. Anyway, so now that we have a segue here, we want to segue back. So I'll make sure this view controller. I'm just gonna zoom out as that makes it. That's not what I wanted to do. Control. Okay. Modal. Ooh, that looks weird. Okay, might as well. Okay, so now we have another segue. Now this segue goes from here to here, and the segue right beneath it goes from here to there. It's really confusing. But okay, we need to give that. So it'll say to back, and I'm just gonna copy that. Command A, Command C. Okay, so we're here. Okay, let me zoom in now, as we need to quickly. I'm just gonna do this. You already know how to connect things like that, and you already know actions like how to do this. Okay, so I have that done, and I'm just gonna, I don't want to command C. Well, I'll just command C it, why not? I'll just have to command C the other thing. Okay, and now we're gonna go to this, and command V, no. Didn't I hit enter twice? Okay. This keyboard's driving me crazy as well. Okay, that's fine. Okay, you can see this connected. Now, if I remember correctly, perform segue with identifier. It was to home. What was it? Let me check, because my memory does not seem to be doing so well. To back. Okay. Okay. Let's to back. Sender self, because we are sending self. Okay. And now let's try this. Stop. I always forget to stop. It's just running. It's a habit. Hello, go back. Okay. Now you see we have two different kinds of segues. Like the transition is slightly different. And this can go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And we could do this like forever, so I don't intend on doing so. So basically, okay. That's pretty much it, because now you know how to do simple segues. You can segue back and forth, and you know how to use this perform segue with identify, and always remember to have an identify for these, otherwise you won't be able to use them in your code. So that's pretty much it. I need to remember to hit stop. Always forget, but that's pretty much it. Just nothing else. I'm gonna unzoom this because I don't need this anymore. So that's pretty much it for now, and stay tuned for the next episode, as I plan to probably work with the app delegate, which is something that I want to work with and have running. So that's pretty much it. Okay, see you soon. Okay, bye.